you're a student dreaming big about your future career, you need to hear this. Internships can be a game changer, but let's be real. No one's going to hold your hand through the core skills. Imagine walking into your internship already equipped with the essential knowledge. Sounds awesome, right? That's where comes in. We offer you the chance to get trained by experts before you even start your internship. No more guesswork, no more feeling lost. And the best part? We're giving away free internships to the first 100 students. Think about it. Why struggle when you can shine? Get ahead of the curve, gain those core skills, and walk into your internship like a pro. Because being prepared isn't just smart, it's essential. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up with Live Mentor today and turn your internship into an epic win. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Don't start your internship without this knowledge. Be prepared, be confident, be awesome with Live Mentor. See you there.